trying to put a necklace on every day. The little kitten, he was so fascinated. Hey, how about this one? You ready to unbox some advent calendars with me? Are you excited about these? Today I am unboxing my first advent calendar of the year. I am super excited. I look forward to advent calendars every single festive season, and there are some beautiful ones out there this year, which in my opinion is just the nicest treat. We're in lockdown, we're all struggling a bit, the weather's really awful, but having like a little treat to open and to look forward to every day just makes things so much more manageable. I'm cradling this like a newborn baby, but I'm so excited to be unboxing the Molton Brown 2020 advent calendar today. This is one that I've been really looking forward to because Molton Brown makes some of my favourite shower gels and perfumes. Their perfumes are beautiful. I have 3 of theirs on rotation that I absolutely love, and they've kind of become my signature scents this year. So the theme and the box this year is very much, it like gives me 1920s vibe with this kind of like really opulent elegant art deco pattern on it, which is also a little bit holographic. Like when you look at it in different lights, it kind of shines different colours. Ignore this guy. What are you doing? He's feeling very playful. And inside the box it opens like a big book. Oh, it's so sexy, and you have all these individual compartments. Now I have to say I'm missing 2 boxes here. I think the postman might have taken 2 boxes. I think I'm missing 15 and 16. We'll see about that, but I'm going to insert in the description box what is missing from this box so you know what you're getting. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this. In door number 1 we have, oh my god, that is so beautiful. So in door number 1 we have a little festive shower gel bauble, and this fragrance is vintage with elderflower. Let me give it a quick sniff. That literally smells like a fizzy prosecco with elderflower liqueur in it. Beautiful. Also, this is so glittery and iridescent with gold sparkles. They sell these baubles with their limited edition shower gels in each Christmas, and I think they make such a gorgeous present. I always get my mum one of the Molton Brown baubles for Christmas because I just think they're classic, and she's a massive Molton Brown fan too. In door number 2 we have the vintage with elderflower body lotion to match. So you have the full range, the shower gel and the body lotion to really prolong the smell. I just love advent calendars for the little miniature sample sizes, like perfect for travelling with. I know none of us are doing as much travelling this year as we would normally do, but holiday 2021, taking these with me. Door number 3. We have the Jasmine and Sunrose Exquisite Bathing Oil. I actually have this and I love it. A bath oil is like the ultimate luxury. Pour a bath, pour some bath oil in it, and it just makes you feel so soft. It makes the whole bathroom smell amazing. And the Jasmine and Sunrose, I think, was a fragrance they launched a couple of summers ago, so it's really nice floral. Door number 4, this is a long one. I have no idea what this could be. Shut up. A fragrance! Oh my god, I absolutely love that. Is it a roll-on? No, it's an actual spray. Oh my god. Again, I'm a sucker for miniature fragrances because who wants to take a whole massive chunky perfume away with them, especially if you're going for only one night. So these are perfect for that, and this one is in the Juniper Jazz fragrance. This is their newest festive launch, Juniper Jazz. I actually have the full size. I can show you now. This is what the full size bottle looks like, and as you can see, it's got this really gorgeous opalescent kind of glass. It's described as a woody aromatic fragrance that can be worn by men and women. The notes are mint, juniper berries, woody notes, sandalwood, patchouli, musk. It's just a really nice wintry fragrance, so I absolutely love that I have the roll on. I'm really excited now because I can see a couple more boxes this size, and I'm hoping for more fragrance. I also just love advent calendars because you get to try products that you haven't necessarily tried before. So like some perfumes are really expensive and you don't want to splash out like 80 to 100, even more so, if you're not going to really like love it and see how it wears on your skin, because fragrances do change on the skin over time. An advent calendar is just the perfect way to kind of, yeah, get to grips with the fragrance. I just love it. Okay, day number 5. We have a delicious rhubarb and rose hand cream. This is the perfect like desk hand cream. So if you, oh god, what am I doing? Apply some of this throughout the day, keep your hands feeling soft, smelling gorgeous, and rhubarb and rose fragrance is really nice, really floral but a tiny bit sweet as well. In day number 6, 6 is a big one. Oh god. Day number 6, we have a mini candle. Oh my god, I have got like one Molton Brown candle and I hardly ever burn it because it's so precious to me. But this is a candle in Tobacco Absolute. Oh my god, I'm the biggest fan of the Tobacco Absolute Molton Brown range. I have a shower gel and it smells amazing. It's a very masculine fragrance, very woody, very spicy. Oh, that smells so good. That is the perfect like winter candle fragrance, and burning this in a room I think is going to make you feel really cozy and really sexy as well. Love that. This is a great advent calendar so far. Door number 7, it's the Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. Oh, it's a hand wash. That's cool. Oh, I love that. It's really fresh and light and airy, and I love the fact I've got a little hand wash now for my bathroom. Nice little bit of luxury on my sink. In door number 8, we have a Geranium oh, I don't know how to say that. Geranium Nefertum bath and shower gel. I'm guessing this is a floral fragrance. I haven't tried this one before. That's really subtle. I was expecting it to be overly floral, but it's actually quite muted, quite understated. Number 9, we have another perfume. What is this? Oh, it's the Geranium Nefertum fragrance. I'm going to spritz this on me to get to grips with it. Whoa. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That has really turned quite quickly from almost like a powdery fragrance to a musky one. I need to look up the notes of that. Another woody aromatic fragrance for men and women. Top notes are fig leaf and bergamot. Middle notes are geranium and jasmine, and base notes are sandalwood, labdanum and oak moss. Wow, that is really nice, really wintry. God, I love it. I would never have chosen that out. Number 10, orange and bergamot body oil, radiant body oil. Again, love this. I get super dry skin in the winter, but applying a body oil once you're out the shower just really not only continues the fragrance and lets that live on your skin, but also really moisturizes and feels super luxurious. 11, we have the orange and bergamot hand cream. Love that. I love how cute these hand creams look together. The colours are gorgeous. In number 12, we have the Heavenly Ginger Lily bath and shower gel. 13, the Heavenly Gingerly body lotion. I really like that they give you the shower gel and the accompanying body lotion to match, just so you can really experience how well they last on the skin. Another little bauble. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Okay, this might be one of my favourite Molton Brown fragrances, and it's limited edition and it only comes out at Christmas. This is the Muddled Plum fragrance. I don't even need to read it, I know what it is immediately. Look at how beautiful that is, like a really deep shimmery purple shower gel, and this fragrance is so beautiful. This came out I think 2 Christmases ago, but I loved it so much back in 2018 that I treated myself at Christmas to a perfume of it. Where is that? I bought myself the Muddled Plum EDT because I love it so much, and I haven't used that much because I'm worried that it won't come back, and I like the smell so much I want to keep it forever. But this is such a gorgeous fragrance. Oh, very very sweet, but also a little bit like, it smells a bit like gin. Very powdery. I can't even describe it. If you can get into a Molton Brown store in December after lockdown, really recommend you going in smelling the Muddled Plum and I'm just really excited to have another shower gel to use of this now. So I'm missing day 15 and 16, so I'm going to read you out what you get in those days. On day 15 you get a vitamin lip saver, so that's like a lip balm, I'm guessing. I haven't tried any Molton Brown lip products, so I'd be interested to try that. And day 16 is the delicious rhubarb and rose festive bauble. Oh, I'm really gutted that I haven't got that actually, because I like the baubles. I think they're super cute. Day number 17 we have volumizing shampoo, and in door number 18 we have the volumizing conditioner to match. I haven't tried any Molton Brown hair products, so that'd be interesting. Door number 19, cute, it's a fiery pink pepper hand cream. Again, so adorable. I love the sound of that pink pepper. I'm a massive fan of like woody, spicy, peppery fragrances, so that sounds great. Door number 20 is a Jasmine and Sunrose bath and shower gel. Door number 21, oh wow, this is an anti-fatigue by G eye gel. Again, I've never used any Molton Brown kind of skincare bits. A cooling under eye gel to energize tired eyes. This gel moisturizes and calms your skin, while algae extract helps to reduce the appearance of dark puffy circles for tired eyes. Love that. I might actually give that to my mum this year because I know that she'd really enjoy something like that. Door number 22, Heavenly Ginger Lily body oil. Door number 23, oh, it's another bauble. Oh, what is this one? Oh, fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel. Cute little bauble. You can tell what ones are the Christmas festive ones because they're really shimmery, whereas the normal ones are clear. And to finish off, in door number 24, final one, and it has a nice little pattern on the box. Yay, another perfume. This is the Recharge Black Pepper EDT. Love that. I'm going to spritz that. Ooh, oh wow, that is peppery. Oh, I actually think G would really like that. It's a very masculine fragrance, but becomes a tiny bit sweeter as well as it settles on the skin. So yeah, I am chuffed with all of these bits, and I cannot wait for a nice big pamper tonight. So I'm going to leave a link to this advent calendar down below if you like the look of it. I think it makes a gorgeous, even Christmas present. Like, you don't need to give it in the lead up to Christmas, but it retails at £175. I'm not too sure what the savings would be. I don't know how much the contents are worth, but I definitely think it's a perfect way to really get to know Molton Brown a little bit more, try some more of their fragrances, and such a lovely pick-me-up at the end of each day. As I said, I'll leave links down below. I know that these sell out very quickly, so I'll leave multiple links of where you prefer to shop. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!